Miele Original AirClean 3D GN Vacuum Cleaner Bags, a comprehensive review. Today, we are diving into the world of clean with the Miele Original AirClean 3D GN Vacuum Cleaner Bags. A product that promises to revolutionize your cleaning routine. Miele, a brand renowned for quality, brings us their latest in vacuum technology. The AirClean 3D GN bags are designed to fit seamlessly into various Miele canister vacuums. With exceptional filtration at its core, these bags are engineered to trap dust and allergens, leaving your home feeling fresher and cleaner than ever before. Durability is another hallmark of the AirClean 3D GN bags. Built to last, they ensure that your vacuum performs optimally for longer periods. Convenience is key. The bags feature an automatic self-sealing collar, making bag replacement and disposal mess-free and straightforward. But how do they perform? Our tests showed a noticeable improvement in air quality and surface cleanliness, affirming Miele's promises. Cost-wise, while initially appearing on the higher end, the value becomes evident through their superior performance and longevity. In conclusion, the Miele Original AirClean 3D GN Vacuum Cleaner Bags stand out as a worthy investment for those seeking efficiency, durability, and cleaner air in their homes. Transform your cleaning experience and embrace a healthier, cleaner living space with Miele's innovative solution. The AirClean 3D GN Vacuum Cleaner Bags are indeed a game changer.